Good day mga kumare, mga kumpare! Kung bago lang po kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and share. According to Alternergy, Wind One Corp, the company that leads the operations of the farm, Pililia is an ideal setting for a wind farm because it is part of a natural wind corridor created by the unique geographical features surrounding the lake. Pililia Windmill Farm is a 30-megawatt wind farm located in the province of Rizal, Philippines. The wind farm was constructed by the Ayala Corporation and started commercial operations in 2015. The wind farm consists of 27 wind turbines, each with a capacity of 1.1 MW.